How would you like to get your income to six figures? Now, more than that, maybe you already make six figures. How would you like to get your income to above $500,000 a year US? Also on top of that, how would you like to make sure that income was location independent? And how would you like to work with me one-on-one, not in a group setting, not group coaching, one-on-one, with me and a team of several other coaches, most of whom also make high six-figure location independent incomes, where we all work with you one-on-one in a customized program for you over a period of an entire year, where we get your income not only location dependent, but we scale your income to $500,000 a year. Can't guarantee that, depends what you do, but $500,000 a year or more. The biggest request we get from my audience in terms of the products and services that they request is more coaching, more one-on-one coaching. Rarely does a week go by in my email where someone is not asking for one-on-one coaching from me and or other people who are skilled in the location independent entrepreneurial space. And we have heard you, and we're about to give it to you. Boy, are we about to give it to you. You won't believe this. I can barely believe this. Our new program, and this is literally new, we have never done anything like this before, is called the 500K Business Accelerator. And this is where I and my coaches, who themselves are very successful location independent entrepreneurs, work with you one-on-one in a customized curriculum over an entire year. And when I say one-on-one, I mean one-on-one coaching. There's a lot of group coaching aspects to this too, but it's based on a one-on-one relationship that we have with you. We have opened this program up for enrollment now, but we are closing it in a few weeks because we can't take on too many people, as you might imagine, because we're doing one-on-one coaching. We have a hard limit on the number of people we can take into this program and the dates when we offer this program to new people. So check below on when the deadline is to enroll for this program, but I'm about to go through everything this program includes. And get ready for this. Here we go. The first thing you get as soon as you sign up is you get literally every video course I have ever done on any topic I have ever covered. You also get every book, every ebook I have ever done, digital electronic versions only, the ultimate versions of every book I have ever written. So that's about 11 courses and about, I think, 8 books. You also get a copy of every mini course, which is every paid webinar I have ever done. That's also about 12 or 13 mini courses. That includes the audio, video, transcripts, everything. You get all of that as soon as you sign up. That is worth just around $10,000. You get that instantly as soon as you sign up, because in this program, I want you to have literally all the material that you will possibly need to scale your income to not only location dependent, but to mid to high six figures, because that's the goal of this program. Everything I have ever developed over the past 15 years that has taken me thousands of dollars to develop and 15 years of my life to research and actually do is yours as soon as you sign up. The next thing you get is over the course of an entire year, 12 months as soon as you sign up, you get, among a bunch of other things I'll get to in a minute, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, 26 one-on-one coaching sessions with either me or, in most cases, one of my team of coaches. There's about 6 people on this team, most of whom focus on business, where these will be one-on-one coaching sessions that's one every other week to help you design a curriculum for you to work on your objectives, to scale your business, to start a location-dependent business, to become location-dependent if you have a location-dependent business, or any goal you have to get your income scaled up to ideally the mid-six-figure level. What you will do when you sign up for the program is we will give you sort of a menu of coaches, and you will pick from the coaches that you want, and if you're not sure, we will help you design an actual curriculum customized to you. So you get the coaching from the exact type of coaches you want. So no one program is like any other program. Your program is customized to you, full one-on-one coaching for an entire year. That is worth, if you were to pay for this, That is worth about $7,000 if you add up all the time the coaches are going to spend with you, because these are heavy-hitting coaches. These are high-end coaches, including Billy Old. Some of you know who she is. That is the person who has helped scale my business. She makes high six figures, location independent, and she scales companies. That's what she does for a living, and she is one of the primary coaches in this program. You can't not make a lot of money by getting help from people like her, people like me, and other coaches on our team. The third thing you get is that you get at least, and there may be more, but at least 4 additional coaching sessions, one-on-one sessions with me. Now, some of those 26 sessions I mentioned earlier might be with me, but an additional 4 are guaranteed to be with me throughout the year. I don't like to attach numbers to this because I charge as much as $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 for one-on-one coaching when I sell like a monthly program. I'm just going to be nice and say that that's worth $3,000 if you were to pay for it yourself. It would actually be more than that, but I'm very, very nice about these numbers. So that's a value of $3,000 on top of everything else you're getting. The fourth thing you get is that at some point during the process, you will get an additional one-on-one coaching session with me, which is a full 5 flags assessment session where I will sit down with you over Zoom or phone or what have you, and we will go through your entire life on how you want to, if you want to, 5 flags or internationalize your lifestyle. If you should offshore your business, if you want to move to somewhere else, if you want to set up international plan B, if you want residency somewhere else, we will design an entire 5 flags plan for you. This is something that would normally cost you $25,000 or more. I'm just going to say it's worth $1,000. I think it's worth a hell of a lot more than $1,000, but again, I'm being nice. This is in addition to all the other one-on-one coaching I just talked about. The fifth thing that you get is you will have another one-on-one session with one of my international tax attorneys. These guys will go through your finances, go through your business, and give you some strategies on how you can save money legally in taxes on your income. If you're going to make mid or high or even low 6 figures, you want to make sure, especially if you have 5 flags, that you're paying the least amount of taxes required by law, and we're going to help you do that in this program. If you were to pay for this assessment yourself, you would pay at least $1,000. That's how much it's worth, probably more than that. The sixth thing you get when you are a member of the 500K Business Accelerator program is that during the entire year you are a member of this program, any new course, new video course I come out with, any new books, any new paid webinars for the entire year you remember are automatically free for you. We just send them over to you the day they're released, and they are free, they are yours. In a typical year, I will release approximately $3,000 worth of courses, books, other materials, and that is included as part of this program, free to you. The seventh benefit you get by being a member of this program is throughout that year, every paid webinar that I do, these are webinars where I charge money for, you get free access to for the entire year. We have just recently raised the prices for these webinars, and so we're talking about $1,100 for a year, typical year of webinars, yours free as part of this program. And even if you don't make the webinar, we will send you the audio and video and transcript recordings free as part of this program. The next thing you get, number 8 on the list, is as a member of this program, you will automatically be enrolled in my SMIC program. And that costs around $2,200 a year, depending on how you pay for it. But that's a value of that is free for you in this program. That means there are multiple Q&A sessions with me, group sessions, every month. Plus there are webinars, monthly webinars that are only available to people in that program. You get those as well, plus all the other benefits. Over 100 audio trainings in that program, all kinds of training videos in that program. They are all yours for free as part of this program. We just threw it in there. The ninth thing that you get is you get a full assessment from one of my testosterone doctors, endocrinologists. They will do an assessment with you, and they will actually make sure that your hormonal levels, your testosterone, estrogen, vitamin D, all that good stuff is at optimal levels. They'll give you suggestions on how to improve that because testosterone is such an important thing for your happiness and your productivity in life. The better your hormones are balanced, the more money you will make. So that is part of this program as well. That's a value of about $600. The 10th thing you will receive is that one of my business coaches will put on once a month a full Q&A group coaching session that can go for as long as needed. And this is every month with one of my heavy hitter coaches, like my 6-figure location dependent coaches, that you will work with them in a group setting with the other members of the 500K Business Accelerator. This is once a month, a full Q&A session. Do you have any questions above and beyond the questions you had in your coaching sessions? We have those once a month, so you'll get 12 of those. That's a lot. That's worth $6,000 right there if you were to pay for something on your own. No problem. On top of that, the 11th thing you get, in addition to that session you get once a month, you also get another meeting once a month in this program, which is an accountability meeting. This is where you will have a group meeting with one of the people on my team, and this is where you will be accountable to your goals, to your other members of the program, to the other people on the staff, to the members of the team. This has been one of the most valuable things we have currently done in past programs. This has been very popular, and that is another aspect of this program. This is on top of the monthly Q&A sessions. That is worth another $6,000 if you were to pay for this on your own. We will also do, the 12th thing, is that we will have throughout the year you're a member, we will have at least one in-person dinner and mastermind with me and a bunch of people on my team. Where will it be? Probably somewhere in the United States. If we have a lot of people in Europe, we might do a European one. It really depends on the makeup of the group. But we will have one in-person dinner plus mastermind. I normally charge $2,000 for this. This is yours free as part of this program. We will also provide for you a members-only message board. I'm going to say that's worth $500. However, that's one of the biggest and most popular aspects of past coaching programs we've done is for other members to network with each other. I have been told many times that 40, 50% of the value in these kinds of programs are the other members you meet, the networking you get, the advice you get from other members, sometimes even doing business and making money from other members. It's awesome. You will have a private message board just for the members of this program and nobody else. Also in this program, you will be given the Colby A Index test. That is your work style, your work personality type. If you were to pay for this yourself, it'd be $50. We throw that in for free. You will also get the corporate professional version of the Myers-Briggs MBTI test, also $50 if you were to do this yourself. That is also part of the program. If you add up everything in this program over the entire year in which you are a member, you are going to get about $43,000 worth of coaching and materials if you were to buy these things on your own. And I'm not kidding. Feel free to double check my math. That's how much value you're getting in this program. And this program does not cost anywhere near that number. Now, this program does cost thousands of dollars. This is not an inexpensive program. However, it is a business program, so it is tax deductible. So even though this program does cost thousands of dollars, you can immediately deduct this off your taxes for the year because this is a full business expense. You will be given a tax deductible receipt from DCS International, which is my American corporation. As usual, please check with an accountant for all tax advice. I got to throw that in there as a disclaimer. I'm going to say this again. We are only allowing enrollment into this program for the next few weeks. Check below for the deadline. As soon as that deadline is hit, we cannot and we will not accept anyone else in this program. Also, there is a numerical value of people that we can't go over in this program, and now you know why. There is so much one-on-one coaching in this program, we can't take a bazillion people. So there's a hard limit not only in the quantity of people we can accept in this program, but also when we will keep this program open for enrollment. So if you are interested in doing this, click the link below, and that will schedule a phone call with one of the coaches on my team, and he will go through with you all of your questions that you have to see if you qualify for the program, to see if it makes sense for you. If it doesn't, that is perfectly fine. If it does, he will get you started immediately, and you want to do this before the deadline. Look below for the deadline. Very, very important. If you are very poor, if you have $600 to your name, please don't bother to schedule a phone appointment. This program costs more than $10,000. It's all tax deductible, but this program costs a few $1,000s. So if you are unable to get a hold of that or put it on a credit card, then don't worry about it. Maybe the next time we open up this program for enrollment, maybe you can do it then. If you have no money, don't worry about scheduling a phone call. You'll just be wasting your time. But if you are interested and think you qualify for this kind of program, if you want our help one-on-one to get your income into the six figures, ideally to $500,000 a year or more, and to get your income location independent, click the link below. You have just a few more weeks, perhaps even days, depending on who watched this video, left to sign up, because once we hit that deadline, we are closing enrollment and then we're done. One last thing. I know I'm going to get this question. Caleb, how is this different from the 90-day business builder? The 90-day business builder program is only 3 months. This is an entire year. The 90-day business builder program has no one-on-one coaching, none. This program is pretty much nothing but one-on-one coaching and some group stuff. The 90-day business builder program is only focused on getting your business up and running, and that's it. This program is focused not only on setting up your business, but scaling your income, getting you location dependent, optimizing your work life, 5 flags, internationalizing your lifestyle. This is much more comprehensive and expansive. So if you have any interest and you think you qualify, click the link below to schedule your phone call. Do not wait. Do it now. There's not much time left. And by the time you see this video, I'm sure we will already have people signed up. So the clock is ticking. Click the link below. And I am looking very forward to working with you. They are very exciting for my team. We're very excited about this. Click the link below and I'll talk to you soon.